Hi fellow enthusiasts, welcome to my channel. Let's go into today's video and we're gonna come back at the end to wrap it up. In a previous video, we've promised to show how to load and unload filaments from this FLSUN Q5 3D printer. So the first thing you do is you fire it on. So the power switch is right there. You shoot that switch on, and then when you come on this menu, you look for the tool icon, press on it. Then you would see a spool which represents the filament. So you hit on that button, that soft button, then you see load and unload. What you do is you hit on the load or unload. In this case it's already loaded, so let's do unload. You hit on unload and it will heat up the filament, and it will take a couple of seconds depending on if you just finished printing, or it will take a little longer if it was coming from a cold boot. Now it's fully heated, you can see that. So just hit on the confirm button, and then it will automatically unload. So the filament will start coming off from this extrude. So gradually it will unwind, and then when it's done, you can open this extrude here and just get it off the 3D printer. You can see it's coming loose because it's actually unwinding, and when it's done unloading, please wait. Alright, so it's finished. So you can hit on confirm. Now you can just disengage it from the printer. Right, so it's out of the printer. Now to load the filament back, you need your cutter, and you're gonna cut the filament at a 45 degrees angle preferred. So we're gonna cut that. Right, and then we'll go back to the menu and we're gonna select load. So you go to this filament feeder here, and you just start inserting the filament. Remember to press this extrude so you can get the filament in. And now hit complete, confirm, hit complete. Now we've engaged loading, and this motor here will load the filament for us automatically. You can see in the pipe the filament is already going through. It's advancing. And it's gonna come out at the nozzle a little bit. Yeah, so it's fully loaded right now. You can see some filament coming out. And once the feeding is complete, all you need to do is just to confirm, and you're good to go. Now you can hit return to go back to home, and you're good to go. You can shut it off by again pressing the power button. So you pause it and you glue down, adding the extra layer to make sure the adhesion works. So the print is paused now. Now I'm just gonna put the fourth one. I don't need it, but just in case. So you need a tape like this. Then you just put the fourth one in place so it's 100% constrained on every side. Then you just go back and you unpause it, and then once you unpause it, it comes and continues printing. This is part of a recorder, and we can go ahead and test it right now. Here's the recorder, and that piece here is missing, and we have just printed one. So to test it, just insert, push it in, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks for sticking around to the end. That'll be it from us today. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so right now, and don't forget to like and share this video. Until we come your way again with more contents, stay enthused.